facts about the world are the things you'd like to know. You don't need a lab to see that science is fab with Molly's Science Show.
Do you want to be a scientist? You can! Today, Molly will show you one of her favourite science experiments to try at home. First, ask an adult for help with setting up and conducting your experiments. Make sure you have a clear and covered area to work with, gloves, and eye protection. Today's experiment is a homemade lava lamp. For this experiment, you'll need vegetable oil, food colouring, vinegar, bicarbonate of soda, and 2 cups, 1 large and 1 small. Put 3 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda into the large cup and add some oil, but do not mix. In the small cup, mix your vinegar with a couple of drops of food colouring. Slowly add this mixture to the large cup and wait for the magic to happen. The vinegar reacts with the bicarbonate of soda to form droplets that float around to look just like a lava lamp. For an extra bit of magic, turn off the lights and put a torch underneath the lava lamp to see it glow.